After the last huge storm we had, I went out into my garage to find out that I had a huge leak pouring in through my skylight. I called Guardian Roofing. Josh came out, and he could have very easily tried to upsell me on stuff, but he did a completely thorough inspection of my roof, and then also inspected my home roof and told me I still had a good amount of life left on my garage and a good amount of life left on my house, and that I didn't need new roof put on, which is what I was afraid I was going to have to do. He was very thorough, showed me all the pictures, and then sent all the pictures to me so that I have a copy of them. And now I'm just waiting. They're going to come out and replace my skylight and all the, I think they call them flanges, around the vent tubes on my house roof. And then they're going to do the moss treatment and do a rinse and clean all my gutters and keep me posted with pictures as they do the work, because most likely I'll be at work. They're honest and not trying to pressure me into buying stuff that I'm not going to need. And for me, an honest company is a good thing.